From the Bob Mills Weather Center, meteorologist Sawyer Wells.
All right, well, you remember last night we were talking about the potential tropical cyclone 1 that was west of Florida, or is east of Florida last night, and we were saying that, well, we don't expect it to become a tropical system. It's kind of past its prime. Yeah, well, it apparently didn't, because it is now named. This is Tropical Storm Alex, well out into the Atlantic Ocean, not impacting any of the U.S. mainland right now. Sustained winds about 65 miles per hour, movement east to the northeast at about 26 miles per hour, so pretty quick mover here. Across the rest of the country right now, we are watching for us up to the northwest as showers and thunderstorms are currently developing up in Kansas and Nebraska. This is that line that is going to surge to the southeast and impact us overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, with the chance for some strong to severe storms. So we're going to have to keep our eye out for that. You see those storms are really just kind of taking off up there. This is what it looks like right now, and the band between basically Salina back towards Pratt is really starting to kind of fill on in right now. Now the good news is the stuff up near Salina is not severe. The stuff though south of Pratt is severe at the moment, and then the stuff back up towards the Kansas-Nebraska state line is also severe. So we're going to have to keep our eye out for that. We're also seeing a few returns up in Kay County and northwestern Osage County. So just kind of watching out for this as well. This is out ahead of the kind of main wave. So a lot of times this will kind of go up and these storms will rain themselves out rather quickly. But again, these types of systems can do some weird things. So we'll just kind of have to keep our eye out for that. We'll be here watching it, of course. Severe weather, well, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect from I-44 back up to the northwest until 3 a.m. And just coming in from the Weather Service, we talked about this earlier, they have now extended the flood watch to I-44 and back up to the northwest until 7 a.m. We're expecting to pick up a decent amount of rain, especially as these storms kind of are potentially train over the same areas. All right, temperatures across the state, still 80s to the southwest, 60s to the south and east of Tulsa, 71 right now here in Tulsa. And so this is what it's looking like. Showers and storms arriving near our state line by about midnight. Those are going to surge off to the southeast, arriving here in Tulsa by about 3 o'clock. I said between 2 and 4, so 3 o'clock in the morning. Again, along the leading edge, could have some damaging winds up to 70 to even 80 miles per hour. And it could have some hail upwards of golf ball size at the kind of highest levels. Tornado threat, it's there, but it's very, very low. We go into your Monday morning, temperatures in the 60s, 70s down along the Red River. Showers and storms are still going to be around, especially southeast of Tulsa. That clears on out by about midday, and by the afternoon hours, well, we're up in the 80s, near 90 degrees. And then we go into your Tuesday night, and once again, we have another system on to our northwest. And that'll start to move on into eastern Oklahoma by Tuesday morning. Temperatures right near 70. And then by Tuesday midday, we start to clear that out into Arkansas. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s for your Tuesday afternoon. And then guess what? We'll do it all again for Wednesday night as well. So tonight, storm zone west and north of Tulsa is the main area. All of us have a low threat of some severe weather, but this is the main area that we're watching out for. And then as we're talking about Monday evening, most of our areas under this very low threat. And then for Tuesday as well, again, most of Oklahoma under a very low or low threat for some severe weather. Again, damaging winds, large hail being the main threats. Tornado, isolated tornado can't be ruled out with these types of systems. So again, we always kind of have to preface it with that. If we do have a tornado warning, it's unlikely, but we could. That's kind of what we'll say there. Thursday night and Friday, we also have another chance of rain, and then we finally get rid of the chances for rain Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Again, the jet stream just kind of primed right now. Northwest flow just keeps bringing these waves of energy in. We have plenty of moisture that these storms can tap on into, and that's why we have all these chances for showers and storms starting tonight, well, last night technically, but tonight into your Monday night, Tuesday night, even into Thursday and Friday right now. The good news is temperatures overall staying relatively consistent. We don't have a big cold front that's moving through. Overnight lows not getting chilly as well. We'll stay in the upper 60s, near 70s. Winds not too bad until we get to next weekend when they do start to raise back up about 10 to 20 miles per hour. There's your 9-day planner. Time for sports.